interesting. And is it the case that our baseline levels of dopamine are set by our genetics, by our heredity?
Well, I think, if you think about sort of, the early stages of development in infancy, certainly that is true. You're kind of, born with probably whatever is your baseline level, but obviously your experiences can have a huge impact on where your dopamine level ultimately settles out.
Do you think that's set in terms of our parents, and obviously nature and nurture interact, but uh, is dopamine at the core of our temperament?
I don't really think we know the answer to that, but I will say that people are definitely born with different temperaments, and those temperaments do affect their ability to experience joy. And we've known that for a long time, and we describe that in many different ways. One of the ways that we describe that in the modern era is to use psychiatric nomenclature, like this person has a dysthymic temperament, or this person has chronic major depressive disorder. In terms of looking specifically at who's vulnerable to addiction, that's an interesting sort of mixed bag, because when you look at the research on risk factors for addiction, so what kind of temperament of a person makes them more vulnerable to addiction,